Hello guys, welcome back to TechCruise. Today we'll be unboxing the Dragon Lightning V2. All I can say is this isn't the scooter that we all know and love. Alrighty, let's open this thing up. By the looks of it, we have a second box inside the box. I'm guessing it's probably for transport so the scooter doesn't get damaged, and gives it a bit more cushioning on the inside so the scooter doesn't get any scratches or any dents on it. I think we're gonna try and go with a different solution in taking out this scooter, because I have tried lifting the second box out of the main box, but that doesn't seem like it's working. So I'm gonna try and find another solution to take this bad boy out. After finding a better solution, we managed to cut all the bottom out so we can pull up the box. And now I'm about to do that to see the scooter for the first time ever. Looks like we have successfully taken the scooter out of the box. We can now slowly remove all the styrofoam around the scooter. Another thing I've already noticed very quickly is a steering dampener. That looks really cool. Nice and shiny, brand new. Take off this side. Check for the handlebar. Alrighty, let's try and lift this thing up and try and lock the stem in. Got some bubble wrap. Open this hinge. Oh, there we go. I've got it nicely secured. Let's open this box up. Alrighty. So inside this box we've got the user manual for the instructions about the scooter. We have got the charger, which is a 3.5 amp hour charger with the cable. And this is what I was looking for, is a small toolkit that we can use to unscrew all the bolts. I've got it nicely secured. And now we're gonna have fun mounting the handlebar onto the scooter. Alrighty, now after mounting the handlebar correctly and plugging in all the wires that were connected to the display screen, I'll tell you a bit about the specs. So you're probably wondering at the beginning of the video of why do you say that it's not the scooter that we all know and love? Well, this scooter has been upgraded pretty insanely. So first of all, we've obviously got the display screen, which has now P settings inside it instead of a massive television screen. We have got a steering dampener below with adjustable, I'm pretty sure, which makes the steering a lot stiffer and makes it a lot more comfortable to turn. And now the big thing that they changed is the motors. On the previous model, we had 1,200 watt motors, which I'm sure was a lot of power. I haven't been able to ride the previous model, but now this beast has 2,000 watt motors. So we've got two of those, so that's 4,000 watts combined of power, which is absolutely nuts. Also, another thing they upgraded is the battery size. On the normal model that you can get with this scooter, you can get a 26 amp hour battery. And now with this chunky boy, you can get 36 amp hour battery, which is nuts. I can't wait to take this onto a range test to see how far this beauty can go. I will be very shocked if I don't get over 50, because seeing the size of this battery, it has enough juice to go forever. start from the handlebars. So we've got these really nice grey and black grips. They feel quite comfortable. We have got a button module. So on the top of the button module, we've got the light button, we've got left and right indicators, and we've got a horn button. Also, with the horn button, when you do press it, it is so loud. It sort of reminds me of the Dragon Predator, where it has that really high tone beep. I think it's going to be really cool to ride around, especially when doing the range test. As while riding around, it's definitely going to let people know that you're behind them, as it's pretty loud. Next to that, we've got the hydraulic brakes. So we've got hydraulic brakes on this thing. We have the display screen. On the right hand side of the handlebars, we've got a plus and minus button, a mode button, and a power on button. We've got a trigger throttle on this scooter. We have got an S button, which I'm guessing from other scooters. This is the dual motor button, so we activate and deactivate dual motors. And seeing here, we have got keys to unlock the scooter. So in the middle of the scooter, we've got a key module. So we put the key in, you twist the key, you hold the power on button. Whoa! That display screen activation's so cool. Holy moly, hold on, I don't want to do that again. I'm going to do that again, that looked really cool. Power it on again. It has this really cool, like, reminds me of like an Audi or a Mercedes, where they have this really cool feature where it like accelerates and doesn't accelerate. I've never seen anything like it. And the display screen, also something completely new. Click the power button, the light button. So we just click it once and it activates all the cool lights around the scooter. We have got a light bulb at the front of the scooter over here. We've got a blue ambient lighting going towards the deck of the side, which I can also say looks really freaking cool. It has all the cool geometry and the shapes, and it just looks really nice. Also, another thing I've realized is there's only one charging port. I'll check on the other side in a minute, but I think it only has single charging. So if we fold the kickstand, I see that there's a plastic thing to protect the deck from getting smacked by the kickstand. Alright, I'm going to quickly try that out. Grab the kickstand. Oh, so in case it goes too far, it rebounds off the plastic instead of smashing into the deck and damaging the deck. Alright, that's cool. We've got indicators? I don't know, they're both on. Maybe I accidentally turned both of them on. Hold up, let me go check. If I click that again. Oh, okay, I see now. So we can have both indicators on at the same time if we click at the same time. Sort of like hazard lights, which is pretty cool. So those are indicators, and then holding the brake, we've got the brake light at the back. I'll show you in a B-roll. We've got the brake light at the back, and once we hold the brake, it activates an extra 6 diodes at the back. Very nice. The kickstand is massive, so you can nicely place your foot. We have got 11 inch tubeless tires. So they are nice and big. They are knobby tires, they're not hybrids or straight tires, they are knobby. So made for like off-road terrain. Behind the 11-inch tires, we have got oil-filled coils. The removable battery, the 36 amp hour version does not have a handle. So knowing that this scooter is so heavy and it has a massive battery, I don't think you're going to want to even take out the battery because it's such a chunky thing. But if you do purchase a smaller battery version, the 26 amp hour version, it will have a handle on the battery so you can nicely remove it. Also with the 36, you can open the deck up, but obviously it's a nice big green battery, so nothing really to grab onto. It's not made to be removed, but with the 26 amp hour, you're gonna have a massive handle, nicely take out the battery. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing experience, seeing the brand new updated Lightning V2, brand new out of the box. I'm pretty sure this is one of the first models out, being the updated ones in Australia and possibly the first reviews. The next video coming up will be a range test on this scooter. So knowing that it has a 60 volt 36 amp hour battery, this thing is going to bust my legs, as we're gonna be riding for quite a damn while. So that will be the next video. Please like and subscribe, as that can help me create better content, and put in the comments below what you really like about this updated version and something that you were like, whoa, that's really cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ride safe and keep exploring. I think we can adjust. Cut.
Zweiten Runde beim Schnitt bitte.
Alrighty guys, this is what happens when you're not focusing and talking too much. I have successfully mounted the handlebar upside down. Talk about a professional. I'm gonna have to redo all of this, so I'm gonna cut straight to that. Mistakes happen. Happen to the best of us. Alright, let's start unscrewing this thing. Woohoo! A second box inside the box. I thought I put it on silent.
Oh, mate!
My bad. One of the flaps are underneath. Lightning. Haha, get it. There you go. Lightning.